Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open a GitHub project in your Visual Studio Code. First of all, you need to have a GitHub account and the Visual Studio Code installed in your PC. After that, you will need to have a project with your code. So you will just go in the link over here and copy, and then you'll go to the terminal of Git and just right click and paste it. So it says no such file or directory because we are in the main one. So what you'll do is to create a folder where you will have all the code, and after that right click and you will be able to just extract all the files. My folder is empty because I don't have any code here. But if this video has helped you, just hit the like button and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.